Rage on that beat, going crazy.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Viewers are saying like, Charmaine, where is your outfit? We don't see your beautiful outfit. Where is it? Okay, you guys, I'll let you see my outfit. Guys, what happened? Why are you standing there? Very nice. Thank you so much, guys. But what events are we doing today? Why do I see birthday stuff and lots of gifts? Actually, just 2 gifts for some reason. Because it's my birthday, you guys. It's March 4th right now, but we still need to edit and do lots of stuff. So this could come out later than expected. So yeah, you guys, it is my birthday today, you guys, and I don't really know what are in these presents, but my dad said he has a lot of money. So he said he was gonna buy me some very nice birthday presents that I never ever got for my birthday before. So you guys, he said it's based on the things I like, and what I like is art, rainbows, slime, Play-Doh. I don't really know what they're in, but by the way, you guys, what age am I turning? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, guys. I am 8 years old today, you guys. So enough talking. I really just want to open the gifts. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go back to my seat now that you've seen my outfit. You guys, I am in my seat. What should I open first? I'm going to save the big one for last and open this one first, you guys. So I open the little gift before the big gift because I believe that the biggest gift is more fun. So let's open this, guys. I can't open it. I know what we need done. So yeah, you guys, let me just this other side. We are opening this up. Okay, guys, not like that. Let's take off the bow first. Very short for some reason. Okay, guys, let's take it. Whoa! Okay, wow, you guys. Guys, I don't know who it's from. There's no letter, guys. Maybe it's nowhere to be found, you guys. So let's just open it up. Guys, I think it's from my mom and dad, basically. Wait, something went wrong. Okay, guys, so yeah, I'm just gonna go like this. I'm so short and nobody can ever see me. So I'm gonna do like this. Okay, anyway. Guys. Target. Wow, you guys, it's from Target. Just from the place I have expected my dad to order. Come on, we're going to Target. Ooh. Okay, guys. So I'm just going to do that. Let's open it, you guys. Open it. Okay, I don't really know how to open stuff, so please forgive me, guys, if I'm doing so. Yeah, you guys. Let me get some thinking time. How did I open my school supplies when I got my school supplies for my school? Like that. Okay, guys, I opened it. Guys, I already see something. Let me do it like how What is that? Guys, no. What is this? No. I've been wanting. Guys, let me see if there's anything else. No more in here. So let's add that there. Okay, so I'll add that there. That goes expected. But guys, it's a scruffalo. Guys, how do I open it exactly? Guys, I think I'm gonna just cut this. When I can unbox it, let me Look at this Scruffaloff, you guys. I'm struggling to open it right now, but look how cute it looks, you guys. Can't even resist it. How do you open it? Guys, let's do this. After 1,000 years of unboxing it, guys, I finally got it. Guys, look at it. It's a Scruffaloff, you guys. You can wash it, you can reveal it, and you can groom it, you guys. No. But wait, guys, I'm gonna open it from the side. There is some stuff here, and I can't even open it. Okay, guys, I think I got this. Guys, there is something under here. I just shaked it, and I felt something. I'm not going to look, you guys. So, like, comment down below, you guys, if what you saw, and if you guys are correct. I don't know where to put this, but I need some help here. Mom isn't here, but what is happening? Wait. It's already open, you guys. What, guys? I think we need to wash it, guys. I think we need to seriously wash it. Okay, guys, I'm going to wash it, and I'm gonna pause it, and then I'm going to show you guys the look after. Pause, please. I just saw this here inside, guys. I wonder what it is, you guys. I'm going to wash it in another video. So guess what, you guys? That means next gift. Okay, guys. This one, guys, look at the big difference, you guys. These don't even look like the same. So, guys, it looks like this, but I don't really know. I'm gonna carefully put you in your home, you guys. I mean, Scruffaloff, I wonder what I'm gonna name you. I'm gonna put you carefully in there. I love you, okay? Okay, guys, let's put it aside there and clip it in its house. Oh, cutie. Okay, guys, let's put it aside and go to the next gift. Guys. Okay, guys. 1, 2. Oh, wait, guys. Let's. Where is my. Oh, there it is. So, guys, I'm just going to slowly find. Okay, guys, it's in here. Guys, this is also for my mom and dad. I can't wait to see it. Guys, this one is bigger than the other one. And so I don't know if it has. Oh, cool. So I don't know if. Okay, guys. That was. Guys, keep trying to get this out, please. I can't believe I did that. Ouch. No, baby, I'm begging you. I'm gonna add them. And add them. And add them. Okay, guys, I'm going to unbox it now. And it's also from Target. So, I'm just gonna unbox it carefully, guys. Let me get the thing. It's over here. Okay, no. I think I know. Guys, I'm actually really sorry. Guys, I got it. Guys, let's pick. Let's pick. No, let's put it. Get down, come on, please, times. Guys, I'm not putting the box down because I saw something in there. But guys, look at this imagination art set, you guys. It says on the back 115 pieces plus texture plates. Guys, I need to see the front. Oh, it's a carrot. No. No. I can use this for school. Everybody is going to be like, Charmaine, where did you get that? So yeah, you guys, look how big it is. I think I know why my dad ordered it for me, because I'm so good at art, you guys. And guess what, you guys? I can make a realistic drawing in just 3 minutes, you guys. Guys, a realistic drawing, not just like a realistic drawing in 3 minutes, guys. Can you guys believe that? So, yeah, you guys. Now it's time to open us what else is in here. Guys. No! Guys. These are the mini rainbow corns series, guys. Let's see. Glitter, sparkles, all and bling. All of your Itsy Glitzy's favorite things. Hatch open the surprise egg to meet the new Itsy Glitzy rainbow corns and find more glitzy surprises inside, including hair clips and a pop swap heart gem. Guys, look how much you can collect. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 mini rainbow corns, you guys. This is so good, and it's just so many surprises inside, you guys. Comment down below if you guys buy this for your child or your mom and dad gave this to you before. So yeah, guys, please comment down below. I am really interested in seeing our guys' life. Okay, guys, I saw let me dive in. I saw. Okay, guys, let me dive in. I saw. No, you guys. No, this is not an LOL. Oh my gosh, you guys. Do you see that? It's an LOL surprise to you guys. I needed this in my life, guys. Because I lost my other LOL doll that I collected. Okay, you guys, there's so much bags in here. Okay, guys, let's see if there's any more else. Oh! Okay, guys, I don't see anything like hard light. I don't feel anything hard like that. So, guys, this is going to be the end of the video, guys. Make sure to check out the next video of me, you guys, opening all these stuff. I'm gonna do Scribble first because it's hard, you guys. I am going to wash it first, and then now I'm gonna start filming and show it in the camera, you guys. Okay, guys. Alright, guys. Before you leave, make sure to click the subscribe button, turn on notifications, and give it a huge thumbs up, you guys. And 2 more things before you guys leave, please. Most importantly, I just found out a fact that the ads make your videos more nicer and more better, so you can get highly paid. So please, you guys, please. This may sound like I don't care about ads like that. I ain't like ads anymore. So yeah, guys, just please do not skip the ads. Viewers are like, what, Charmaine? No. Ads. And then viewers are like, again, actually, I should help Charmaine. I really love her. Thank you so much, guys, if you guys said that. It's okay if it's a very long ad and you guys can't take it anymore. If it's a very long ad, just skip it. But if it's like a short one, and then, yeah, don't skip it like that, you guys. Thank you guys so much. And also, the second last thing. Thank you so much to my mom and dad for ordering me all of these gifts. I've always wanted these forever in my life. Guys, this is so nice. I really love it so much, you guys. Thank you so much. Bye. See you guys in part 2. Bye.